Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to withdraw money from YouTube once you start earning from your channel. First, remember that YouTube payments are handled through your Google AdSense account, so you must connect AdSense to your YouTube channel. Open YouTube Studio, go to the Earn or Monetization section, and make sure your AdSense account is linked. Once your channel earns at least the payment threshold, which is usually $100, the earnings move to your AdSense balance. Next, sign in to your Google AdSense account and go to the Payments section. Here, you need to add your payment method, usually a bank account for direct deposit or electronic transfer. After verifying your bank details, Google will automatically send your earnings each month once the payment threshold is reached and the payment cycle is completed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.